5 Best DVI Cables. Here is the product number 5. DVI 24+1 to HDMI adapter cables. Model number, D19030. Gender, male-female. Connector A, DVI, 24+1, Connector B, HDMI application, computer, multimedia, monitor, projector, TV, TV box, laptop etc. Resolution, 1080p max. HDMI version, HDMI 1.4. Color, black. Here is the product number 4. 24+1 pin adapter cables. High-speed HDMI male to DVI 24+1 DVI-D male adapter video cable gold-plated, support 1080p for HD TV, plasma, DVD and projector. Support connecting your HDMI equipped source devices such as your laptop/desktop, Blu-ray, Xbox 360, TV, DVD, and set-top box to your DVI-enabled HD TV, displays or projectors. Here is the product number 3. DVI cable adapter. Brand name, Sam's. Type, DVI cables. Packing, polybag. Feature, none. Application, projector, monitor, computer. Gender, male-male. Outer diameter, 7.8 mm. Shielding, braid. Here is the product number 2. Amkle DVI to VGA adapter cable. Used in a DVI-D interface with a video source connected to the display device with VGA interface, no power supply, plug and play. With a chip high-definition digital DVI-D to VGA analog 24+1 VGA female DVI cable. Product name, Digital HD DVI 24+1 turn VGA converter adapter cable HD analog conversion cable. Here is the product number 1. HDMI to DVI-D video cable adapter. HDMI to DVI cable supports bidirectional transmission, connects computer from DVI port to HDMI display, or from HDMI source output to DVI port. Most use it on Blu-ray player, computer, Apple TV, Book streaming media player, PlayStation 3, 4, Xbox One, 360, or and more, ideal for gaming and home theater entertainment. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.